You want a little bit of RGB? How about here? What about here? Or maybe you want to put it on your wall behind you. So as you see from the intro, you can put these lights anywhere. I mean, they're pretty freaking cool. I mean, they're foldable, they're twistable. We're gonna get into it in this video here. Uh, just for the full disclaimer, DeckTok did send these out to me to do a review. These lights are just phenomenal. I don't know if you checked out yet. I have some permanent lights up on the house that was also provided by DeckTok. I got a few more things coming up from DeckTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Seriously, they got so much stuff that it's just unbelievably, and they're freaking bright, awesome. Everything about it so far has been awesome with this company. Really good customer support as well for this company. So you get good old Manuel in here. You get a little power adapter to plug it up. You get the light itself, which we'll go through in just a sec. You get a remote. And then, of course, you get the hub itself. This is the control hub. And also for music, you can play music and it'll ping pong around to the music for you. And then you get the install kit. So if you notice, it's on the wall right now. There's a clip right here and there's a clip right here. For right now, I do have some soundproofing coming in for the back wall. And these are actually going to go around my soundproofing and give me some little bit of that RGB goodness. So it's just a little bitty round base. It's not too big at all. It's very small, if you see here. I mean, this is a little bit bigger than my hand, but this thing is weighty. I would have to say it's probably about 5 pounds. So now to the main attraction, right? The main thing, why you're here, why you seen is because I was showing off this light right here. These things, look at this. They fold out. Not only do they fold, check this out, they spin too. So if you want it this to go against the wall and you want one to face you and one against the wall, look at that. You can swivel them plus fold them. Not too many letters you can do. You can do an M. You want an M? Your name Mary. How about Michael? What about W? Are you a Waylon? Maybe. Maybe an E? E for Edward? I don't know. E for excellence. There we go. Because these deck talks are friggin' excellent. There's not too much to show here. It's literally a floor light like that one right there, but that one right there doesn't do nothing that this one does. So now let's go ahead and jump into the app. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and connect the power. We're going to go ahead and connect the power right here. And then on this side here, they do have this nice little clip right here on there. And you can't get them wrong because it's only one directional. And then they plug up. And you're going to start seeing this thing start blinking. And so it blinks red. So it's pretty freaking bright. So let me go ahead and get my phone going. All right. There's some spoilers here. I got some other things on here. Now, I don't know if y'all see, I got some other things on here. But anyway, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead at the top right-hand corner. Once you download the DeckTok app, we're going to go ahead and hit add. Add a new device is what we're looking for. And it should automatically pick it up. Look at that. Boom. Picked it up. Very nice. If you do have 5G or 2.4, or excuse me, 5G or 6G, like Wi-Fi 7 on your network, these only connect to 2.4. I actually have my own smart home that's strictly for this right here. The screen will be blocked out. Okay, now watch the lights. Okay, they're blinking red still. So as soon as I connect everything, I know y'all can't see nothing right now. Y'all aren't seeing my password. I do apologize, but I don't want everyone knowing my business. All right, if you watch, you're fixing to start blinking a different color, and it's going to let you know that it is paired. And then also on my phone, I don't know if it's going to pop up, but Alexa is going to pop up as well, saying that a new device has connected because I believe these are Matter. Boom. So now it's connected. You see the colors unchanged, and now I have foldable lamp just popped up underneath Alexa. I will set that up later because I do not know how I'm going to name the schemes. Right now, this one right here behind me is on my studio. So when I turn on my studio lights in here, that one pops on as well. So then we're going to go ahead and just hit done. So now we have them. So now they are very, very customizable. Okay, let me get these up here. I probably need to turn the brightness down a little bit. I don't know how bright this is really coming across the screen here. Let me go ahead and turn that one that way, turn this one back this way, turn this one to this way, this one this way, and this one this way. All right, let's get these all up in there. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn that brightness down. Woo, them things are bright. I'm talking about these things literally are bright. But these are so bright. I really do like this. Even if you wanted this for the side of your bed, for your bedside, you can literally turn these three off and use this the top one, as a reading light while your wife or your husband's asleep. We're gonna get in here. Again, I have the app opened up. Right now, we can choose a color, what color we want, and it's changing all of them. If you see that, see it's changing all of them. So you can see that on half the screen right now. So if you go to white, now we can do cool white. Woo, bright. Let me go ahead and turn that down just a little bit. We can go ahead or it's gonna be warm white. I just said cool white. Warm white. Keep on moving around, and then we can go all the way to cool white. And like I said, these right here, this right here is awesome. I think this would be perfect for my studio. It's kind of coming across a little pinkish, it looks like on the screen. It's not that pinkish in person. It is white in person. Uh, right here, you have like a little squiggly line in the middle. So if I tap that squiggly line, now I can direct myself. So say I'm right there, I'm going to go here. Okay. I'm going to direct myself down here, and then I can change that one to a different color or that. So now I have different colors on here. But you can also do that whenever you come over here. And you can also do that with different colors as well. It isn't just the white. You can do each color different. So let's go ahead and go to color guard. Again, we're still in the squiggly line. So say I want green. Well, let's go with a darker green. That way we can see the dark green. So this one here is a dark green. All right, I turn the studio lights down just a little bit more so we can see it a little bit better. There again, I can brighten it or I can dim it down. I guess dimming it down some will actually let you see it more. So now I turn this one green. Now this one here I'm going to touch. It is green, but I'm going to go ahead and make that one orange. I'm going to touch the next one. Okay, now it's on a different color. Let's go ahead and go to blue. Okay, now let's go ahead and touch that top one and let's do a pink. So that orange to me ain't looking real orange. Let's go to a different orange there. About that orange? That orange? Yellow? Nah, we go to yellow. So there we go. So there again, you can literally customize each one of these rods right here in the app. Okay, you got combination. Now these are already set combinations. So you want to do this combo? Boom, look at that. Right on there. I wish I could turn the colors down on this side right here, but you can just go through and you can pick what colors. Like that right there is my daughter. I don't know how it's coming across the screen, but it's all pink. I did show it in the opener, the beginning of this video, but you got different colors in here. All right, let's go to the next one, which is the little paint holder thing at the bottom. Now you have, I can do ice blue, and they're gonna do different animations now. You're in the animation. So you can come in here and you can do all kinds of stuff in here. You like that RGB, that party style, you can go right for it. So say, it is coming up on Halloween right now. So we can go ahead and hit that festive button. Go to festive. Well, let's go to life, festive. All right. So we click on festive. Now we got Christmas. I don't see that really being Christmas, but it is pretty Christmas. You got Valentine's Day. You got Halloween because right now it is Halloween. So you can come in here. There's even an add button at the top. Now you can add more. You can change these brightnesses down. You can do literally all kinds of different things with these. I mean, it is freaking awesome of what you can do. You can speed them up, slow them down, and then hit preview. And then it shows you what you did and how you want it. So you can change things how you want it on the fly. You want to jump, you want it to breathe. Let's go ahead and breathe, hit preview, and it should be breathing right now. Or actually, you jump in. Let's go to breathe, preview, and now it's breathing in and out. Again, flashing, flowering, or excuse me, flowering, whoop, flowing. So now we're going to get a good flow going. Rainbow, preview. You can reverse, you can do it opposite. So for instance, you have two of these like I do, one on each wall. I can have one go in one direction, one go in the other direction. Go to music. Now you can turn on some music and it's going to work with the music. So we can go ahead and hit this one right here. It's not doing nothing until I start talking. You see how I start talking? Because it's right here. So if I actually put this right here, so if you put this thing right here next to, say you want it in the living room, every time something happens on the speakers, is going to do something. So again, let's go to rock music. So whenever I do it now, it's not as intense because it's rock music. It's waiting on rock music. So 100%, I believe this is 100% worth some money. I do have links down in the description down below. They will be affiliate links. I'll reach out to DeckTok and see if there's any coupons. If there is, it'll be in the pinned comment. So check out the comments. Go ahead and leave a link down below. Tell me if you got Govee or what you got for any of your lightings. Because like I said, this one right here, this is just a generic one off of AliExpress, and yeah, it does all right. But if that one was sitting over there, oh man, it'd be like bright. No, it would be really, really bright. Yeah, again, like I said, I don't know how I'm going to actually set these up. I might set them up underneath my shelves there. I just don't know yet. We'll see. You did see a preview right there in that phone app, right? There was a couple other products on there. If not, rewind the video, rewatch. There is a couple more products. There's actually about quite a few more products. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm bringing some of the best quality products for your hard-earned money, especially here at the end of 2025. I don't care if it's 2026. These things are good, and if there's any update that maybe they don't last, but maybe a month, trust me, I will have a follow-up video. But hey, I'm Thomas of Tomology. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go ahead and check right here. See if this is worth it as well. Check it. I dare you. Check it right here.